Do you know what makes a sentence come alive? It's the verb. Without verbs, there is no action, no movement, no life in a sentence. Today, we're going to explore verbs and tenses step by step so you can speak and write English more clearly and confidently. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to place actions in the past, present, and future. And yes, we'll practice with quizzes along the way. Let's start with the basics. A verb is an action word or a state of being. Action verbs show what someone does, like run, eat, sing, play. State of being verbs show existence, like am, is, are, was, were. For example, she runs every morning, or they are happy. Quick quiz. In the sentence, I am a student, which word is the verb? The answer is am, because it shows a state of being. Now let's talk about tenses. Tense simply tells us when the action happens, past, present, or future. Think of tense as the time machine of grammar. It places your verb in the correct time. We'll begin with the present tense. This is when something happens now. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. or she plays the piano. Quiz time. In the sentence, they live in New York, which word shows the present tense? Yes, it's live. Next is the past tense. This tells us about actions that already happened. For example, I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. or she played the piano yesterday. Notice how eat became ate and play became played. Quick quiz. In the sentence, he walked to school, which word is in the past tense? Yes, it's walked. Now let's move to the future tense. This shows actions that will happen later. We usually use will or shall. For example, I will eat dinner at 8 p.m. or they will travel tomorrow. Quiz. In the sentence, she will study tonight, which word shows the future tense? Correct. It's will study. So far, we have covered the basic three: present, past, and future. But English goes deeper. Each tense has 4 forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Let's keep it simple with examples. Present simple. I work every day. Present continuous. I am working right now. Present perfect. I have worked here for 2 years. Present perfect continuous. I have been working since morning. Quiz time. Which one shows an action happening right now? I read books or I am reading a book? Yes, I am reading a book is present continuous. Now for the past tense forms. Past simple. I worked yesterday. Past continuous. I was cooking dinner when the phone rang. Past perfect. I had worked before lunch. Past perfect continuous. I had been working for 2 hours before you arrived. Quick quiz. In I was cooking dinner when the phone rang, which tense is was cooking? Correct. It's past continuous. Finally, the future tense forms. Future simple. I will work tomorrow. Future continuous. I will be working at 8 p.m. Future perfect. I will have worked by next week. Future perfect continuous. I will have been working for 5 hours by the time you arrive. Quiz. In the sentence, by next year, she will have completed her degree, which tense is used? Yes, that's future perfect. Let's do one final exercise together. Listen carefully. Yesterday, I played football. Today, I am playing football. And tomorrow, I will play football. Did you notice? The same action, playing football, was placed in past, present, and future. That's the magic of tenses. So today, we learned that verbs are action or state words, and tenses place those actions in time, past, present, or future. Each of these has 4 forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Mastering them is the key to fluent English. Here's your challenge. Make 3 sentences about your life, 1 in the present tense, 1 in the past tense, and 1 in the future tense. Say them out loud, and if you want, write them in the comments below. Great job! You are now ready to move forward in our grammar course. Keep practicing verbs and tenses daily, and soon you'll be speaking with accuracy and confidence.